Have you ever used a doorstep collection service for your banking, insurance, or visa application needs? Perhaps you've handed over your Aadhaar, PAN, or even your passport and bank statements to a collection agent, all to avoid the hassle of visiting a branch or a service center in person. It's convenient, no doubt. But here's the hard truth. That convenience could be making you twice as vulnerable to identity theft and financial fraud. Let's take a common example. You're applying for a visa. A travel agency sends someone to your home to collect your documents: passport, Aadhaar, PAN, income tax returns, 6 months of bank statements, everything required for submission at the consulate. But what you may not realize is this. From the moment those documents leave your hands to the point they reach the actual submission center, they often pass through multiple intermediaries. Each one potentially gains access to your highly sensitive personal information. And it only takes one bad actor to sell your data on the dark web, often for a small, quick profit. Worse still, there's no practical way to trace who leaked or sold your data if it ends up there. Now, even if these details don't give immediate access to your money, they allow fraudsters to build a credible identity profile in your name, one that can be used to open bank accounts, apply for loans or credit cards, bypass lax KYC procedures, or even forge authorization letters and applications using your signature and scanned ID documents. And possibly the most dangerous of all, SIM swap fraud. If a fraudster manages to get your mobile number transferred to a new SIM, they can intercept OPT and access your financial accounts. We've covered SIM swap fraud in detail in another video on this channel. Please watch that to understand how to protect yourself. Now you may be wondering, what if my data is already on the dark web? I've used such services before. The unfortunate reality is, it might be. In fact, many of us could already have data circulating online without even knowing it. But what you can control is what happens next. To prevent further damage, here are a few critical steps you must take immediately. 1. Enable SMS and email alerts on all your financial accounts, and read them, every single one. If something looks suspicious, report it without delay. 2. Lock your Aadhaar biometric authentication through the UIDAI website. This prevents misuse of your fingerprints or iris data. 3. Register with CIBIL and other credit bureaus. Monitor your credit report regularly. If a fraudster tries to take a loan in your name, an inquiry will reflect in your credit history, giving you the chance to flag it in time. Your identity is your biggest asset. Guard it like you guard your money. Stay informed, stay alert, and don't trade convenience for security.